So we were doing some training with autonomous dogs. What this training will do eventually is it will free up defenders to do defender things. Rather than going and looking at a computer screen or relaying things via comms, hopefully what we're trying to do is to get AI systems to take some of the workload off of us so that what we're doing is only having guns in the fight. Some of the capabilities of the robodog are AI detection, so the robodog can go out and via its thermal camera or its regular red, green, and blue cameras, it could pick out targets for us and say, hey, this is something you might want to check out. This is something that you need to take a look at. Yeah, to drive the dog around, it's fun.